Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. Searching for the best exercises to lose weight and change your body? There are so many exercises out there built for weight loss, to shrink this body part or build that muscle. But when you're looking to transform your entire body and improve your cardiovascular health, where do you start? While there is no one best exercise to lose weight, there are effective exercises using compound movement for weight loss. As you know, losing weight is more than just a smaller number on the scale. You want to keep the muscle that you've earned while burning fat. We found a set of exercises that will completely transform your body just 4 weeks. You won't have to spend money on a gym and special equipment. All you need is willpower and 10 minutes a day. Number 1. Waist. How to do waist exercise. Lie face down on the floor with your arms bent at the elbow and placed beneath your head. Lift your upper body as far as you can. Stay in this position for a second, and slowly return to the initial position. Number 2. Abs plus buttocks. How to do abs plus buttocks exercise. Prop yourself on your hands and feet to feel tension in your back. Raise one leg as high as you can, then start lowering your upper body without lifting the second heel off the floor. Number 3. Exercise for abs. How to do exercise for abs. Lie on your back with your arms stretched above your head and your knees bent. Slowly raise your upper body with your arms straight, and touch your toes. Then slowly return to the initial position. Number 4. Squats. How to do squats exercise. Place your feet shoulder width apart, standing on your whole foot. Make as if to sit on an imaginary chair, with your knees and feet on the same line and your back kept straight. You can keep your balance by raising your arms in front of you. Then rise back up as slowly as you can. Number 5. Thigh and buttock muscles workout. How to do thigh and buttock muscles workout. Stand on all fours, and stretch your left leg and right arm in a straight line. Then slowly bend them, and touch your right elbow to your left knee. Straighten up again, then change the arm and leg. Number 6. Push-ups. How to do push-ups exercise. The initial position is a plank with straight arms. From there, lower yourself as far as you can. Make sure your back, pelvis, and legs form a straight line. Then slowly return to the initial position. Number 7. Plank. How to do plank exercise. Plank is an isometric, static exercise where the rule is to hold your body correctly. Follow the example above. Keep your back and legs straight without sagging or arching. You will start seeing improvements in your waistline size and your overall body in less than a month. You may not achieve the body of your dreams in such a short period of time, but these exercises will guarantee you the feeling of being one huge step closer to this once unattainable goal. Having said that, many require workout accessories to help us. That's why choosing the best workout accessories would be a big help. We hope that this videos will help you to transform your body with these 7 simple exercises, one step at a time in less than a month. Good luck on your fitness journey. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.